What's wrong?
We to go potty.
Pee or poo?
Pee.
Okay, stand up back there and pee off the side of the boat. Stand up high, though, on the back platform. With the kid approved. Don't take the life jacket off. Just stand it close to the edge.
Don't pass over me.
Well,
Oops, I accidentally.
I saw. That's okay. I'll wash it off later.
Oh, I did a whole mess.
Yep, you did.
I think we already made it go home.
You need to go home?
I think we already made it go home because it made a really big mess.
I see that. Yeah, you pissed all over my boat.